Today is Monday, May 12th, and today I learned that the satisfaction of distractions and scrolling and all that kind of thing is outweighed by the satisfaction of actually doing what you need to do. And this is so obvious, right? But really today what I learned is that living life is just so much just stop scrolling, stop looking at a screen, and just walk around nature, live life, do what those people in those videos are doing, right? Today was just a productive day. I finished everything on my to-do list. I was productive. I had a good focus session. I worked out. I ate well. I did all the right things, and the joy and satisfaction from that far outweighs the joy and satisfaction from just if I scrolled all day or watched YouTube all day, right? I've gotten to a point where my scrolling is just not fulfilling. I know I can notice this is rotting my brain and I am not getting anything out of this, right? And every time I stop scrolling, I just all I want to do is just live life, right? And just experience life more. The time we have here is shorter than you think, and I don't want to be spending that locked into a screen looking at someone else's life, right? I want to be living my own life. This goes back to one of my favorite quotes that I talked about a while ago. I haven't mentioned it in a while, but are you living or just being alive, right? Are you just floating through life, constantly comparing yourself to others, constantly looking at others, constantly dreaming but not actually doing anything? Or are you actually living and taking those actions, doing what you're supposed to do, and disconnecting, right? Are you living or just being alive? So I have to go to bed, but that is what I learned today. Just stop scrolling and live life. Do what you're supposed to do and just live life. And when I say live life, being outside, go outside more, touch grass. I don't know. This is just what's been on my mind today. If you found this video helpful, then I would love a like or a comment. If you want to see more, then definitely subscribe. This is the video I posted yesterday. You can subscribe in that corner. And if you subscribe, I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.